market XP is at around 33 cents, guys. Literally ranging for months. Something has to break here soon. Come on, right? I mean, guys, September has already started off a little bit weird, to say the least. Listen very carefully. Grab your popcorn because today's video is going to be pretty crazy. Please like the video, guys. I really appreciate it. But now, guys, before we jump into this, some financial advice and some value only. Look at this from Wall Street Silver. Breaking! China, a city of 16 plus million people are being locked down. And they're frantically fighting for food as if they are surviving the apocalypse, guys. I mean, at this point, things aren't looking too well, right? So it seems like events from the past are repeating, guys, right? So guys, something doesn't seem right at the end of the day. Something feels very odd and weird, right? Because breaking 911 is sweet out, Biden, guys. So something odd did take place. Listen to this.
Democracy cannot survive when one side believes there are only two outcomes to an election. Either they win or they were cheated. And that's where the MAGA Republicans are today. They don't understand what every patriotic American knows. You can't love your country only when you win.
Interesting, guys. What are your thoughts about all this, like all these events taking place, right? I mean, ironic. A lot of people are pot and kettle, by the way. Somebody did post right there. Sarah A. Sweeto, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you see this photo, as we see right here, right? I mean, for everything they do, there's a reason behind it, guys. A deeper reason, right? That roots back to its original source. Now, look at the colors and everything, guys. A lot of people are saying satanic. I mean, obey, right? What do you guys think? Comment down below on what are your thoughts about what's happening right now, because things are getting pretty crazy here, guys. Now, guys, we're to the fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is called White. Interesting. Seller 17 is, if you don't see the parallel between this and this, you're not awake yet, right? Wow. So someone did say that with the red colors and whatnot, right? Even from Mr. Poole, there should probably be what? Dump, perhaps? Now, you know what's interesting? If you go down here, red is definitely the lower vibrations, the root chakra chaos, basically hell. Interesting, guys. A lot of different people with different opinions and whatnot, right? I'm more interested in the sun symbol above POTUS, guys. Wow, right? Look at that. We talked about the sun in yesterday's video. Go ahead and check it out, guys. The regular video, the main video. But the alchemical process of reaching number 33. Now, look at this from Veljester. Today is 9-1. Phoenix is 91 numerically, right? It consists of something that lived, died, comes back, red background to trigger the brain. Also, interesting. Plus, it ties in with the Phoenix, guys. That's just crazy. What? And then plus, you got 33 boxes right there. Wait a minute. 33. We just talked about 33, guys. I mean, I'm pretty sure this has something to do about. I know it's going to sound a little weird, guys, but alchemy and reaching one of the highest states, guys. I mean, it ties in with the Phoenix, right? Becoming reborn once again. I don't know. Now, Truth Seekers Shootout, you're watching a movie as we see right here. So basically, again, a lot of correlations, right? And whatnot. Good movie. Wait a minute, guys. Didn't David Shores post about November 4th as well? Right? Remember. Interesting. Now, XX Shootout, observation. A lot of random big verified accounts are tweeting one-word verb tweets in lowercase. From NASA to Accenture, very odd. Change, research, interstellar, right? Probably nothing but still odd. Again, what took you guys? What happened yesterday? September started off crazy, right? As we see right here, saw this picture, very strange. Look at this, guys. I mean, come on. Some type of ritual 1000% took place yesterday, guys. This is how we know everything interconnects, right? From Truth Seek, as we see right here. More tweets. Very interesting stuff. Now, if you go to this next week, guys, look at this right here. Flare, right? Interesting. Flare. Look at that. A few connections, guys. I'm super excited because Flare is, or hopefully, finally launches successfully this month, right? With the FLR distributions as well. So, let's be prepared. Now, find GGS, a global changing event will happen. September 5th, 2022. Now, possibly, and nothing will ever be the same again, right? You were warned. So again, guys, let's be prepared. If anything miraculously does take place, right? As we see from this tweet, guys, I mean, this is an interesting tweet, possibly a connection to 9/11, which we've seen a lot, right? So basically, only 9 days left till September 10, 11. That will mark the end of the Great Tribulation of times, or times, and half a time. Interesting, right? So, guys, if September 1st was that crazy, right, and odd and weird, imagine all the rest of September, basically, right? The rest of the month. So let's probably be prepared, guys. Now, you know what's interesting from Ashley? Let's see what 9/11 brings, right? As we see right here, another connection. Seek safety in the event of 3/11, which is the same thing as 9/11. 1131. Internal spreading worldwide. Internal. What? Like cyber, right? Over the internet, perhaps? As we see right here, internal spreading probably means a bug, virus, and software running rampant, right? Cyber attacks and whatnot. Interesting, guys. Now, if you go to this next tweet, guys, this is just mind-blowing. You cannot make this stuff up. Chris Larson liked this tweet, guys. What? 9/11 has led us to 11/9. I don't know how long ago this was, right? But 9/11 and 11/9 both mirrored, guys, right? And we talked about how September truly is November because of the different calendars and whatnot. And there's a mirror to them as well. Isn't that just fascinating, right? Crazy. Now, only one to tweet out, collapse, 11/6, 9/11, 11/9. That's just crazy, guys. Now, David Shorts to tweet out, so this is interesting. No right is held more sacred or is more carefully guarded by the common law than the right of every individual to the possession and control of his own person, free from all restraint or interference of others, unless by clear and unquestionable authority of law. I mean, David Shorts has been very active to the point of, I don't know, guys, at this point, right? Everyone seems to be active these days. Something has happened, guys, right, in the month of September. Listen to this, guys. Son, Dad, do you believe in ghosts? Dad, no, son. There's no such thing as ghosts, right? Son, well, our maid said there are ghosts. But, Dad, pack your bags now and meet me in the car. Son, what? Why? Dad, we don't have a maid. Right? Best joke yet. But guys, that's interesting because if we go to this week, do you believe in ghosts, right? Ghosts, as we see right there. Interesting. A few connections, guys. Fojack is Mr. Pool and Witness. Witness, as we see right here. New design, who this? A new proposal for XRPL sidechain introduces a piece of the puzzle called a witness to simplify implementation and improve efficiency. Wow, quote unquote witness, right? Come on, guys. What are the chances of that? If we go down here, oh, you know what's even crazy? Get ready for the Fed wire, November 2022. Whoa, a connection to that as well, right? Absolutely crazy. Cyber Polygon, somebody just stated right there. Cyber Polygon, cyber attacks and whatnot. Guys, next week comes from Cryptomaniac, the man responsible for Bitcoin and XRP, smiling, right? Come on, happy. He's not lying, guys. Madonna's without Broken Hearts Club. I mean, the symbolism, all this stuff is just right there, guys. Look at that, broken heart. I mean, are people about to have their hearts broken in the month of September? Possibly. Who knows? We have to wait and see. Maybe, perhaps a major dump. I mean, if you go here, Fed is giving up on a quote soft landing in favor of a growth recession. Buckle up. Oh wow, guys, it's about to get really bad. I think in September, right? Harvest season, all these things. The end of the guys, Shemitah as well. The 7-year cycle. What's happening? Stop. XRPCC is you can't tell me you don't see what's happening. The battle's being fought offline. The frequency's out of line. This right here. You still believe in the lies? Open your eyes. 1322, 922. Interesting. The final tip for today's video comes from Bobacugs. We have known since 2019 IMF will use XRP exactly as plans within plans, right? Top secret. Shh. Again, at the end of the day, guys, in the future, people will be like, what? There were really riddles back in the day, right? Pretty crazy, guys. It's a crazy timeline we're living in today. But anyways, that's hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys please have a like, subscribe, amazing day, and guys, see ya.